Hello there, welcome to this Kotlin Collections tutorial for beginners. In this video, we are going to explore the Kotlin Collections library and how it can be used to work with lists, maps, and sets. When working with data, it's essential to be able to store and manipulate data efficiently. This is where Kotlin Collections come in handy, as they provide a set of interfaces and classes that help us store, retrieve, and manipulate data with ease. Firstly, let's take a look at some of the built-in collections that come with Kotlin. Code snippet. As you can see, we have three types of collections: lists, maps, and sets. Now let's take a closer look at each one of them. Lists. Lists are ordered collections that allow duplicates. Here's an example. Code snippet. In this example, we create a mutable list of fruits and add a new fruit kiwi to the list. We also remove the banana from the list using the removeIt method. Finally, we print the updated list: apple, orange, kiwi. Maps. Maps are key-value pairs where each key is unique. Here's an example. Code snippet. In this example, we create a mutable map of countries with keys 1, 2, and 3 representing USA, Canada, and Mexico respectively. We retrieve the value associated with key 1, which is USA. We then add a new key-value pair to the map using the square bracket notation. Finally, we print the updated map Onusa to Canada through Mexico for Brazil. Sets. Sets are similar to lists, but they do not allow duplicates. Here's an example. Code snippet. In this example, we create two sets: Seta and set. Finally, we print the results of both operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about Kotlin collections and how they can be used to work with lists, maps, and sets. We have also explored several examples of how these collections can be manipulated and used in real-world scenarios. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!